may remember this smoke alarm, the HB0938 from Norelco, but they made newer models. This one, I already opened the box and I did an unboxing video, but I had the iPad all different ways, even upside down for the most part. But anyways, here it is. As you can see, it looks pretty darn cool. There's the back. There's your little triangle to open. So let's do that. There's the battery. There's the sensor. Yeah, there's an LED. And the hole for that is right next to right under the end for the Norelco. Now you might recognize this circuit board. This is yet another rebranded Dicon with a different cover. These are from the 80s, the mid 80s. Matter of fact, here's the design patent for it from Howard L. Roche, Old Saybrook, Connecticut. Which is kind of ironic because in German, the word for smoke is
rauchen.
Filed December 20th, 85. And it was completed or whatever, August 16th, 1988. This is the design patent that he filed for the detector. As you can see right here. But this one doesn't have the area for the Norelco brand, and looks like the test buttons in the middle are smaller. So, let's get this bad boy powered up. Put a link to that patent for you. And then there's one you can download from Google too. Like I said, this is a rebranded Dicon. Model SD100. If the iPad would actually focus. There, stupid thing. Anyways, yeah, model SD100. So it's not. I thought it might be a continuation of the HB series, like HB something, but it's SD100. So, once again, let's get this bad boy powered up. Positive side goes that way. Now, it might sound, we'll see. It's hard to do doing it. Yeah, so you have power. Cover. Test. And there you go. Figured it'd be that pitch. Most of these Dicon models are. Kind of a slower 4.6. Now, let's look at the manual. If it's, it's like stuck. Stuck and stapled. Wow, stapled or something. Just a sec. Okay, now that I got the staples off, it was dual stapled. Here's the manual. And this says SD125, so I guess SD100 or SD125. Indicator light, battery contacts, dual ionization sample chamber, keyholes for mounting battery, 85 decimal horn. Here's the cover, alarm cover. You can see the staples there, staple holes. How your fire and smoke alarm works. And here's, remember, fire and smoke alarms are properly installed and maintained are an essential part of a good home fire safety program, and that is true. However, this fire and smoke alarm will not prevent or put out fires. And again, that is true. Before installing storage in low humidity and certain transportation conditions may cause electrostatic discharge to build up in the alarm system housing. Although harmless, these charges may increase the length of time during which the horn sounds upon battery insertion or test button operation. So there's your installation instructions. Go away. On an ABC News update thing. Inspect for obvious damage, check the battery contacts, empty vacuum as recommended in maintenance, faults and arms, and I think this part, yeah. Sorry about the kind of shakiness. For one, of course, as you know, it's all my adverbs and stuff, but number two, I have the iPad in a new case, so it's heavier. One of those life-proof cases. However, now that I'm hearing this in the edit, I think I might take the case back because, as you can hear, there's way too many scrapes and scratches and clicks and clanks and thuds. All kinds of unwanted sounds. And then of course, it is weighing down the iPad, so I'll get another one. Probably one of those Survivor cases or something. I have one of those on my iPod. It's time to replace the battery. Even though it's kind of funny, they show it there. The person's holding the unit. Like I would be, like this. And of course, obviously you'd do it differently if it was on the ceiling or wall. Again, like I said, this case adds a lot of weight to the iPad, so there's, of course, your location maps. Pretty much every manual has those. That's off in an angle. Sorry about that. Or give it to me. No. Smoke alarm properly installed, maintained, or in a session part of. Or did I say that? No. No, this is a different thing, different section. There's that. So. So let's go back to this alarm. I remember seeing this in Shopko in Janesville, Wisconsin in the 80s. And I remember that it also came in a box too, because I've never seen it like this, but I remember the box had it sort of more like that. And right here under the N, the logo is where the LED is. These were also used in some of the first detector cameras. It's going to flash or not? But anyways, I was wondering if it had an LED because there's a picture. Oh, there you go. Anyways, there's a picture online where this Norelco is not there, and then right there is an LED. Then, like I said, this was one of the very first designs that the surveillance cameras were put in, or covert cameras. I think it was I think they were put in right here where the test button is. So here's the side of it. And there's the back again. So, give it one last test. And there you go. The Norelco SD100 or SD125 smoke alarm. And the HB0938 and the Fire XO462. But this video mainly, of course, is for these two. So there you go.